You're going to be surprised at how quickly you can set up layers in ArchiCAD like a professional. In this video, you're going to master how to set up layers in ArchiCAD and finally how to assign those layers to architectural elements. In the last video, we learned how to set units and story heights. Video link above. And without waste of time, let's dive in. Well, to be able to set layers properly in ArchiCAD, I'm going to navigate to Options, Element Attribute, Layer Model Views, and then I'm going to navigate to Architectural. ArchiCAD already has default layers, but what I want to do is click down here on New. I'm going to type A. On my keyboard, I'm going to place hyphen, then I'll type in Wall. Then I'm going to click on New, type in A. Aspect I'm going to cover is Doors. Click on New. I'm going to type in A. Press hyphen and I'll type in Windows. Once done, click OK. To be able to on and off the layer, navigate to Options, Element Attribute, Layer Model Views. Navigate to Architectural. You're going to see a door, a wall, and a window. The reason why I put A in front of my doors, walls, and windows is such that A should appear at the top of my architectural layer, such that I don't have to navigate through the layer to choose. And A stands for architectural. To actually close a door layer, we just have to move to this eyes, click on it. If I don't have to see walls, I just have to turn it off here. And to undo that, I just have to click on walls and move up this way and click on the eye symbol on the doors. It's going to undo. So that's how to turn on and turn off my layers in ArchiCAD. Once done, I'm going to click OK. Now we are going to move on how to assign those layers. So navigate to the left part of my screen. Probably I'm going to put my mouse pointer here and try to drag this out such that I can easily see all of this. Double click on walls. Then I'm going to see an area below here showing that the walls are actually placed on structural bearing. Change from structural bearing, navigate to architectural and choose a wall. Once done, I'm going to click OK. So that's exactly how we assign layers to architectural elements. If you found this video helpful, you're definitely going to love what we have next. Click here and discover how to carry out wall settings in ArchiCAD like a professional. See you on the other side, my friend.